What's up everybody and welcome to How to Everything, and today we're gonna learn something very important, and that is how to switch on a button. Yes, you got that right. There you go, there's the button there and we have to on this switch. So let's do it. First of all, you're gonna need something like this, a glove. Yeah, and you have to put this glove on your hand. It's very important because you can get electric shock or something like that, so that is why it's very important for every of you to put on this glove. And once you have put on this glove, you should go towards the button. There you got it. And you are going to put your finger on the button and gonna press it down like the way I'm doing. Okay, let me do it. There you go. And there you go. And that's how you do it. There you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope if you wanna get more videos like this and enjoy on my channel, please subscribe it and follow my channel. Thank you.